Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a page here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To delete a page in Canva, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is, once you are logged into your account, go to the design where you want to delete a page. If you haven't already, just click on the create a design and then... Now, I'm actually working with a specific thumbnail right now for our G-Plafs YouTube channel. Say I add another page and I put in some small video right here, for example, this one. And I find it like redundant. Now, for you to be able to delete a page, there's going to be an option here, right? 3 dots icon, click on it. You see that option? Delete a page, right? So that's one of the easiest way for you to delete the page. Now, for example, you have accidentally deleted the page and you want to retrieve that. All you have to do, it's basically go to the home page, go to where it says trash, all right, click on it. Now you would notice that you would be able to see the page that has been deleted here on the trash: designs, images, and videos. All right, so that's it. Basically, that's how you basically delete a page here in Canva. Now, however, we bring back again to the recent designs. All right, I'm gonna head back to our design here. Because when you need to replace outdated or incorrect information, deleting a page may be necessary before adding a new material. All right. Obviously, all I have to do is click on this, add a new page, because excess pages may distract from the core message of your design. So deleting some helps keep it visually appealing on in brand. All right. So I'm gonna add another page. And if you created a page like this one by mistake, gonna duplicate that one. Deleting it helps clean up your design. All right, so you may want to keep your design focused and remove unnecessary or irrelevant pages, especially if you have like these extra slides or content that doesn't add value to your overall design. Removing them can make the overall presentation more concise and impactful. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.